Let's talk about the new official Geotab MCP Connector. You already have AIs to ask your fleet questions in natural language, and now you can plug your live fleet data straight into your AI assistant of choice, ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot. So a quick question like fault codes from the last 7 days and their severity gets an answer from live data right where your team works. Connecting takes a couple steps. To add Geotab as a custom connector in your assistant, you only have to point it to Geotab's official MCP server and sign in once. Your permissions carry straight over, so there are no new logins and no new access to manage. Your AI only sees what you already can. And once it's connected, the difference shows. Ask it why Spin is up, and it doesn't just answer. It can launch multi-step investigations. Here, it got a preliminary first result, so it rechecks the whole week and reasons its way to the real cause. Because it lives in your assistant, it can go beyond Geotab. For example, ask it to research any event in the news, and it will use the web to find the latest updates and check if any of your vehicles are inside the relevant zones. You can ask it to send alerts, and it will define geofences, rules, and alerts. This is what ACE alone cannot do. Work across your whole stack. A single fault becomes the diagnosis, an email draft to the garage, and a service slot held on your calendar. Geotab, Gmail, any other tool, orchestrated in one conversation. And anything you build, you can keep. Go through your weekly Monday reviews, and then you can save that routine as a reusable skill with any rules and instructions specific to your fleet. One good workflow becomes something your whole team can run and collaborate with. You can try this with your whole fleet right now, or just load the simulator that we use to record this demo. It's based on the real experience, but it lets you explore the possibilities without any logins or setup. And then, once you're ready, review the requirements with IT and enable the connector inside the AI assistant of your choice, working alongside every other tool. Built on Geotab security, your permissions enforced automatically and included with your subscription. Connect your fleet and start building.